Good morning, students. Today's topic is logical Venn diagrams, and this topic is an integral part of mental ability test in NTSC Olympiad examinations, which we conducted in our schools regularly. So now today we will study about logical Venn diagrams. Logical Venn diagrams was developed by Newman scientist. His full name was Wayne Newman. He was a very great scientist as well as a great mathematician, and he tried to explain all the mathematical problems and its solutions with the help of diagrams. These diagrams were generally in the form of circles, and he has used maximum set theory, definitions, and its concepts to explain these diagrams. Word and or stands for union or intersection, and which we use in our set theory. Here we will use this set theory, and the help of these sets we will try to understand the logical behind these diagrams, and the conclusions from these we will be used to answer our questions. This is the meaning and use of logical Venn diagrams. Now we will come to the second part, different types of Venn diagrams with their implications. Dear students, first type of Venn diagram is if the items evidently belong to three different groups and these are not dependent on anyone, they are independent, then the Venn diagram representing it will be three disjoint sets. For example, A, B and C. These are three different sets, and these different sets have nothing in common. For example, is of the professions of three persons. One is doctor, another is engineer, and third is doctor. Professions are engineer, teacher, doctor. They have nothing in common, so these three professions will be represented by three disjoint sets: A, set B, and set C. A, B, C. These are independent sets, and they represent first type of Venn diagram. Number 2, if one item belongs to the class of second and second belongs to the class of third, then the representation is in the form of three concentric circles. Now, concentric circles are those circles which have a common center. These circles are developed with the help of a common center, and first one, second one, third one. For example, C, B and A. These are three circles. C is the biggest one, B is bigger, and A is the least one, substitute less. A, B and C. Now these three sets A, B, C, they are contained in each other. A is contained in B and B is contained in C. That is, we are now considering the example of seconds, minutes and hours. A set represents seconds, B set represents minutes, and C sets represent hours. Now here seconds are contained in minutes and minutes are contained in hours. So this is our second category. And in the third category we have two separate items belong to the class of the third. Then they are represented by two disjoint circles inside a bigger circle. Now for example, two disjoint sets are A and B. A represents chairs, B represents tables. Now chairs and tables are two different things which we use in our life, but they both are a part of furniture. So C is the bigger set representing furniture, A represents chair and B represents tables. A and B, they have nothing in common because on A we sit and on B we place our things, but both are a part of furniture. So this is our third type of Venn diagram. Thank you.